German battery manufacturer BMZ presented us their flagship PV energy storage product, ESS 7.0. The system is designed on modular principle that allows the battery modules to be adapted, flexible to the customer needs, depending on the desired storage capacity.
What we see here is a lithium-ion technology-based stationary battery for storing PV energy, for example. It features unique battery management system, which is designed and produced by our company. The company BMZ develops in general batteries from big sizes to small sizes. This battery has 6.75 kilowatt hours energy content. The capacity is 121 amp hours. The nominal voltage is 55.5 volts. The power which can be provided from the battery is really big. We allow our end customer between 18 kilowatts and 5 kilowatts energy out of the battery. Additional key features of this battery, you are allowed to connect many of those batteries in parallel, which maximizes the usable capacity for the end customer. This very smart battery management system offers protection elements, and these protection elements, for example, we measure the voltage, we measure temperature at the battery housing, at individual points of the housing. We measure the current, which is flowing in bidirectional. Here we see the wall mount version of the battery. The energy content is 6.75 kilowatt hours. The difference between our common product, which we have in market so far, is that we reduced the size of the battery. We used high energy cells for this, and these high energy cells allow us to reduce the volume of the battery and make it lightweight. And when we say lightweight, this means for us we are able to allow wall mounts. This display shows the performance level of the battery. It shows the voltage, it shows the actual state of charge, the state of health if needed, the current direction, charging, discharging, and it shows the state of charge. The energy comes from the roof, from the PV modules, and it is DC energy so far. We need a PV inverter which transfers this energy from DC to AC, to the AC grid. Our battery is connected to a battery inverter. This battery inverter is connected to the AC grid. Our battery is approved by SMA. We are officially validated for one-phase applications or for three-phase applications, for on-grid and for off-grid.